Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 2nd November 2023. The time is roughly around 8 o'clock. Indian team is literally firing in all cylinders, and let's see whether Nifty is going to do the same from tomorrow. Because tomorrow is the mega date for Nifty, and obviously, on Saturday we have a Saturn effect also, and let's see whether it is going to pump up from Monday. But tomorrow is very crucial for the market. And today morning, whatever the Nifty put which we took, it opened at 0. Our cost was 16 and it opened at 0. But after that, we clearly mentioned what we need to do in the morning, and three stocks which was rocking was Delta Corp, which went up by 8% today on its very important date, and the second one is Idea is still rocking, and third was VEDL, and NMDC really rocked, but we didn't. We are not holding any position in NMDL, but Delta Corp was the clear winner today. And I'm going to teach one time cycle today. Let's see how it works. Okay, let's go and see all that. And first of all, this is where it started today. Okay, we clearly mentioned that everyone talking about gap up, but according to me 9-7 is real. If it happens when the number converged, then it won't sustain the high. When the number converges, the number has to come and touch the market has to come and touch the price. Then only it will get a clear convergence, and then only it will move. Otherwise, it will not move. So that is why I clearly mentioned, when the number converges, then it won't sustain the high. It means the gap up won't sustain on the top. It has to come and respect the number, then only the move will come. Clearly said, don't jump and buy, wait for my initiation. And the next one was okay, the sell initiated based on this, and it gave good money, and this was the real rocker. Remember Nifty in combo time, because today was a special day for Nifty, so it's in a combo time today. Every 26th candle is the combo timing. Combo timing. And Bank Nifty 10:35 to 11:10. But we specifically came and said that 10:35 to 10:40 will be the key. And we clearly mentioned that delta near the mega bottom. Today it is trend change date, bottom done. If it holds 123 on daily closing basis, then 147 possible, stop loss must. Okay, then exactly at the high at 952, we went short in the morning, and we bought 19,200 and put at 26. It doubled, actually it went to 125. So we are able to capture the entire fall. But where Nifty took the support is exactly happened the number which we gave. That is what I said in the beginning, that whenever there is a gap up, when the price got converged, the price will come and touch that number. Okay, so then the put went up, all that is fine, and this is the loss which we made because of BTST. We recovered everything, and it gave solid money above that also. And yeah, so then now the next timing for Bank Nifty is 10:35 to 10:40. Okay, and clearly mentioned not to buy anything till 30 minutes high is crossed. Exactly, Bank Nifty as well as Nifty both made the high exactly at the first 30 minutes high. Then we say very clearly at 10:40, till Nifty is below 19,231, the target is 19,142 and 19,140. This was the clear bottom of the market, because this is the convergence number of yesterday. Market came down all the way, and the bottom happened at 19,140. See, it is only 2 rupees difference. But the market will respect the 2 rupees. We are not writing that 30 points support, 40 points. We are writing 2 point support. and that is where market came down exactly and bounced, and today exact low of Nifty future is NF means Nifty future. NF means Nifty future is 19,140, and from there it started, and we gave another number for Nifty spot, which is 19,069. So then I shorted Bank Nifty at 10:30 with the timing candle. Very small candle, gave a phenomenal money on the downside. And the number. See, this is the number we gave yesterday. So whenever number converges, if any gap up happens, it happened last month also. Last month when the number converged, market opened gap up and it came down exactly and touched this number, and then only it bounced. Okay, so now again, what else? So I said, I went short in Bank Nifty, don't try to be in Nifty, all that, then Delta Corp was rocking, and the first combo time in Nifty is 11:25 to 11:30. Let's go and see what happened in, okay, I'll come to this little later. Okay, so this is the 26th candle. From here. This is the timing candle, and if you see, the next 26th candle is this candle. So that's why I said today Nifty time cycle is 26th candle, and here it was a very small candle. Once it broke, it gave all the way, came to 19,069. Why 19,069? It is nothing but Ichimoku number. Exactly it came, none of the candle closed below that number, and from there it dropped. Again this timing came for the rescue and marked the high and low. Again it gave a solid money. So this is Nifty timing, and Bank Nifty timing was this timing, 10:35 to, see how beautifully it fell, 10:35 to 10:40. And exact high was the first 30 minutes high. Again Nifty, if you go, the exact high was the first 30 minutes high. Clearly mentioned, don't buy anything till this Nifty crosses the 30 minutes high. Okay, so both this worked. And if you go to Nifty, this we already explained, and if you go to Nifty future, this is the number which we are talking about, 19,142 to 19,140. See where market took the support, and from there it was a real boom. And always remember one thing, this is normally we watch in the market whenever there is a spike like this. And today high, if you see, it is 19,451. It means market will try to achieve this number very shortly. If it happened in Nifty spot, it is more authentic, but anyway this happened in Nifty future, but we need to see whether it is going to touch, but more or less it will go and touch this number very soon in November future itself. So that's a gap, it's a free trade, but normally free trade will be respected by the market. And again, if you see, yesterday it came here many times, but the specific number is this, 19,142 to 19,140. From there it was a real rocker of the show. And Delta Corp, it went up by 8% today, and that was the TCD of yesterday. And let's go and talk something interesting. So now if you go to Bank Nifty, Bank Nifty made the high on 15th September here, and from there it came down. And you can also mark this high and low. See, if you take this, mark the high, see how market respects this high, because this is the mega time cycle date for Bank Nifty, not for 2022 or not for 2023. Till Bank Nifty trades in Indian market, this date is valid. this date is valid, okay, because that is a special date for Bank Nifty. And I have mentioned many times in my videos also, but I used to teach my people why this date is special. What is the reason behind this? Again, if you see, exactly Bank Nifty topped out on that day only in 2023 also. Exactly, because this is the date for Bank Nifty for its entire life, and for Nifty it is November 3rd, which is tomorrow. So now if you go to the past, this was the November 3rd candle, and here the price and time squared where it had the same high, this candle high and low of 2021 exactly matched with this candle here, price and time square. So again it went up, came down, went up, came down, went up, came down, and again it closed below. So the short has to be initiated here. Very simple, the short has to be initiated here. The stop loss is recent high of the candle, and it started falling down, then solar eclipse came for the rescue. Then once it closed above, it gave a solid move. This is one instance. Again, if you go 2 more years back, the same thing happened. In 2019, the candle was very small. Went up, not closed below, went up, came down, respected the low, went up, came, touched here, again went up, came down, and this was a one candle which was a gap down. Again it went up, came down. Once it closed below, this was the COVID fall. And in 2019, we exited everything, all the mutual funds, exactly on 19th November. 19th November, we exited everything, and we are able to foresee this fall much before the COVID has come. Right? And again, what happened? Next year, if you take the next year high and low, exactly again price and time squared. So once it went up, this was the exact candle, 3rd November. Once it crosses price and time squared, it is like a massive move. See how time works here beautifully. So tomorrow is the date for Nifty. You can simply mark the high and low of tomorrow, and you can trade till next November 2024. And again, if you see here, this is nothing but a consolidation. Let's see whether it is going to give a pump up on the upside from here or wherever it opens, or it is going to go down from here. And on 4th, it is certain direct is happening, so the impact will be on 6th, which I already mentioned everything in the PPT. So as of now, mark the high and low of tomorrow and enjoy the fun. For intraday, it is first 15 minutes high and low. So for example, today Delta also did the same thing. First 15 minutes high and low. That is what I was talking in the morning. Just mark Delta first 15 minutes high and low and take the trade. Coal India as well as Delta, both I gave. Mark the first 15 minutes high and low and take the trade. Yeah, this is for Coal India. And for Delta, I think I have given much before itself. Yeah. Concentrate on Delta, mark 15 minutes high and low and take the trade. Intraday players wait for the blue in 1 minute and take the trade at 9:36. And from there, it was a phenomenal rocker. So now if you go to Delta here, so the first 15 minutes high and low is this. So the high and low is this. The high captured the candle closed above the high. It came, retraced in the next candle, gave you an entry, at 127, and from there it was a real rocker till the end. Why? Because November month, if you go and do a little bit of backtesting, then you will understand why this move has to come. Even though the stock is at the bottom of the bottom, you will know why market has to turn from here. Delta has to turn from here. But if you see in all the time frames, it is bearish. So let's go to 1 hour in Ichimoku also. Today only it closed above, and I think it will not sustain here. Again it will come down and take the support here, and from there only it will move up. And here none of the candle closed above, and if you go to daily also, it is not looking good based on Ichimoku, or based on weekly also. It is not what to say, it is not acceptable for going long, and on a monthly also it is not accepted to go long. But whatever happened in the past, it will be repeated in the future. So November month and the October month are very, very crucial for delta. Very, very crucial. For example, if you go here, this is November month. So November month high and low is very crucial. Again, if you go maybe this year, November, it made the exact top. Again, if you go somewhere here, this is the November candle. But if you go and do the analysis, then you will know why November is very crucial. But why we took the call? First, it is the time cycle, and then if you go to delta in fortune signals, if you go to monthly, it took the exact support here last month, and it should not close below this candle low, because it is at the red and blue, which is the massive support area, because it is in monthly. In daily it is bearish, in fortune signals weekly it is bearish, all that is bearish. But this candle, why we took the initiation here, this candle crossed this red color line and one candle closed above. So possibility of making a bottom is here. That is why we took a call and we loaded quantity today, and it is in very decent profit. Let's see whether it is going to do something tomorrow also. So now where it will go? It will try to go and touch the number here. So what is that number here? The number is 148.580, and that is the target which I gave today for my clients, that the first target is 149. Let's see, we have another 14 more days to go. So let's see how it works. Okay, so this is on delta. So now let's go to the PPT. Okay, so this is the number which we gave yesterday, which was the real rocker of the show, and all that is done. And tomorrow, as we already said, that November is the crucial date for Nifty, not for Bank Nifty. It is for Nifty. Okay. Then numbers already we discussed everything yesterday. So now let's go here. So now yesterday Nifty futures, Bank Nifty futures converged, but the convergence was collapsed because of the gap. But again, when it came and respected the number, now this has become valid. So till it is going to hold, this number, the market will try to go up only. And now all the three numbers are bullish. Only this number has to taken out on the higher side. And on the closing, it is not closed above this number. It is struggling again and again. It is struggling. If you go and see today's close, the today's close is nothing but this number. Again, Bank Nifty today close, if you go and see, it is nothing but this number. Exactly. You don't take the average closing. The average closing was 43,017, but the actual closing is 43,035. 43,035. And if you go to the Nifty, the last closing was 19135. But the actual the average closing was something different. But this is the number. This number rules for the entire 2023. Entire 2023. And again I said it closed below because the average closing was little below, so it closed below that. And idea delta VDL was the rocker of the rocker. And tomorrow I said big day for Nifty, and timings only for my members. So now when it goes to Bank Nifty, all the numbers are bullish. So we have taken a position, BTST position or a positional position in Bank Nifty, but not in Nifty. We will try to take tomorrow in Nifty. Okay, based on the first 15 minutes high and low. And yeah, this is the number for BDL. Really rocked. Coal India, you need to watch, mark this high and low, only 5 rupees difference. Mark the high and low, take the trade. And Delta Corp was the real rocker today. And tomorrow is Tata Consumer. Tomorrow is Tata Consumer, and the stock is already consolidating at the all-time high. If you go to Tata Consumer, on daily, so it is trading near that all-time high. And if you go to the numbers are converged. The numbers are converged for this month. It is 888 and 887. 887. So it closed above only. So we will expect some move. Again, 15 minutes high and low will do the magic. And our the stock for the month was Balrampur Chini, which I gave on the October month itself, that once India won one match, I said take it. This is for November month, and the number we said that buy at 408. The first target is 423. Move above 423, it will go and touch 456. So now how to capture this trend? So now once we know the number, go to the 15 minutes. Go to the 15 minutes, and exactly it came yesterday here and touched this here. And when the move will come, once the blue is inside. Once the blue is inside this two, and when it takes the support, this will become explosion. This will become explosion. So now the first target is done, which is 423. So let's see whether it is going to do 456 for this month. And the stock which we are holding for last 4 days was IndusInd Bank. Again, because it is the number convergence. So the number convergence is for this month is 1431 and 1430. So it is the number got converged here. Yesterday it came down exactly, took the support here, along with the pink it took the support here, and today it was a rocker. Let's see how far it is going to go from here. So till it holds 1431 to 1430, nothing to worry about it. This 2 number rules the show. Even though it is 1 rupee difference, but it will rule the show. Okay, so that's all. Nothing more to add in this video. Again, I have already marked everything for you, and tomorrow I will do the shorts video for time cycle convergence. I think we have only 2 stocks to watch out for tomorrow, so I will do that WhatsApp video. So that's all. Pranam to market. Whatever we lost in the morning because of the BTST, we are able to make good money out of it today because of the market. So pranam to market for that. Again saying, I am not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly go and do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decision. And we'll see with the magical number of Nifty, and if there is any timing candle tomorrow. Again, that fake channel is creating a lot of messages, so please don't believe all that. I have already put the complaint, I have already put it as a fake channel, but still it is running. I don't know, God only can help this to sort out all this. Many people are facing this issue. many real people, the teachers are facing this issue, but we cannot help it. Anyway, don't get triggered by all this by showing their profits. Stay with your system, even if it is a small profit, but it will sustain for life. Okay, thanks a lot. See you tomorrow. Until then, goodbye.